it's a headless Yanni again. Alright, let's continue. Now that we have all those hexa spacers mounted on a bottom plate, and also we have mounted them on the top plate, we can join the bottom and top one. And if you look, you remember on the top plate we have the small 12mm spacers. You place them against the bottom plate, and you can see that there's the 4 holes that are opposite on the 25mm spacers are free. You can use 12mm hexa spacers to mount them. We just upgraded on every kit to have them. If you don't have them, you can use the normal 6mm small screw to lock those plates together. But in all our current kits, they have these extra spacers because they give a better one support for the battery mount and the bottom plates. There. Now the plates are joined. Good. This in the future we're going to use this one to mount the bottom plate. So when looking it, you can see that the bottom plate nicely fits on it. And before we mount the bottom plate, we can put the battery straps. And on this point, it's also good to put those arms on the frame itself. But let's see. And for the battery straps, this is same thing like in the earlier one on the quad battery mount. You just put it through the hole and through the other one hole, like that, and then through the ring. There. That's one way to put the battery strap, and then for the other one battery you can put it on the other one strap. If you don't want to use 2 batteries, you can always do it in a different way, in a way that turn it. Let me turn it. That you only use the center holes for your battery, like that. This way. Okay. Later about that. Now that the center frame is joined together, we can take arms. You have 6 of the arms, and one of the arms is going in here, in this place, because this is the front one, and then one is going in here, one in here, one in here, one is going here, and then one is in here. So let me put the front one on its place. You take the metal screw, put it through the holes, like that, and you have a small metal washer just to make sure that the nut is not opening. Then you close it. On this time it would be good to use some pliers or whatever to properly lock it. And if you have a thread lock glue, you can use that one there. Right, and then you can use the 20mm nylon nuts. Same thing like in a quads. There's a 1 and there's a 2 one. And then we can lock those screws. One and 2. There. That's the way to do it. Then you just put 1 more, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When you have all of these ones, then we can go upside down, and we can go and put the battery straps, place the battery mount in here, and just start using the leftover 6mm screws to mount it on its place. Like that. There. 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 A few more. There. And then you naturally can tighten them up like that. Then you just screw them all, put them properly tight enough, like that. Every single one you have to tighten them up. Then the whole center frame is ready, if you have all the 6 arms. And after that you can start placing the power distribution board in the middle. About the power distribution I will show it on the next one video. And the final frame should look like this one. We have the arms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carrier boards, 2 boards. The battery mount on the bottom. And all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metal screws and the nuts. Okay. Happy building!